feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing.
Hi guys, and my people, good morning. Welcome to another vlog. Welcome back to another episode. Today is May 20th. Today is Saturday, by the way. I am happy. Yeah, I'm happy. I'm excited. I'm happy because something beautiful is about to happen. Something fun, adventurous. Okay, I'm running late. I'm late actually. So I am myself and the other interns in my department, which is like intern medical laboratory scientists. Everybody are going to be seeing in this vlog today. They are scientists, they are medical laboratory scientists, and they are interns. So we are going on an excursion. We're going to Erin Ijesha Waterfall. I've never been there. So Erin Ijesha Waterfall is in Osun State, and as you all know, we are in Oyo State, Ogbomoso. So that's a journey. So we are going to be traveling down to the place. There's mad eats. Okay, so I couldn't get ready with you guys because I was rushing. Okay, so but I am wearing this big tees because I wanted something free. You know, I'll be jumping around vlogging and everything, so I wanted something free. And this big tees that I got from Chris's World. You guys should know that brand already. That's my best friend's brand. I'm wearing jean. I'm trying to show you guys my full feet. So yeah, I think you guys should be able to see this right now. Just ignore the mess behind me. So I'm wearing this jean and some Crocs. Yeah, I'm so excited about this journey. It's been a long time coming. So it's not only an excursion we'll be doing, but today is excursion day. Other events are going to be coming next month. By the way, we are still on strike, so you guys should pray for us. All right, we shall safe journey. By the time you guys are seeing this vlog, we'll be back already. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later. I'm the vlogger of the day, so I need to get there very fast. So I have my tote bag here. So this is the bag I'll be carrying. I have my tote bag here. This is YouTube with Eddie, because my YouTube name previously, if you've been here for a long time, you know that it used to be with Eddie. So inside here I have my water clothes. I have my water bottle. I have other things like that inside it. I'm going to show you guys because I filmed those. I have a clip on that. Okay, so I also have my tripod here. Yeah, this is what we are going to be working with today. I don't think I'll be going with my mic actually. Yeah, because I don't want situational stories that touches the heart. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to see you guys later. Bye.
Introduce yourself.
Hi, this is Ria.
Hey, Kenny. This is our mama of the day. What? Mama of the day.
Where did I see this get wrong?
I go now.
If you want to vlog for YouTube, you don't hold your phone like that.
His landscape. Now you're talking.
I just wanna spend it all with you. Road with you. And live in love with you. Oh yeah. I just wanna spend it all with you. Road with you. And live in love with you. Baby, show me up. Show me to the world. I wanna live my life with you. Baby, show me up. Show me to the world. I wanna live like this. Why don't you show me up? Show me to the world. Show me to the world.
That's my girl.
Baby, show me up.
DJ OLE. You want to come back? You want to see the big boy? Like the rock, take it to you, the rock. The rock, get enough drink with the drop.
money with that Illuminati mess. Paparazzi catch my fly and my cotton fresh. I'm so reckless when I rock my Givenchy dress. I'm so possessive, so I rock his rock necklace.
Don't tell me if you my lesson. You didn't do lesson. My damn, you got to do lesson. So I go my left lesson.
My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. My daddy Alabama, mama Louisiana. My daddy Alabama.
I'm sorry, if no money don't come, it's been a long way for me. Makes sense if you don't know the journey. I did what I promised on. Bad man got no one.
First time in America. First time in America. First time in America. You know about to let it pass. Hey, le panon ayewa. You know about to let it pass. Hey, le panon ayewa. I'm a fisherman. Are you a fish? Tell her hunger, I want to eat. Say you the same burger. How much is it? Let me cross the border. Into your beach. Don't tell me we can my lesson. You didn't do lesson. My damn, we got to do lesson. So I don't mind
Zazu, Njupa, Njupa.
Sweet.
This audio has
Fun killer.
I let it fall. Does it feel quickly? It was dark and I was over until you kissed my lips and you saved me. My hands, they were strong, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true in the games you play. You would always win, always win. But I set fire to the rain, watched it pour as I touched your face. When it burned, well I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name, your name.
As I know fit depend on dog, that go disrespect on dog. Then I shoot them waiting they saw. What's up? They my own, and I don't know waiting they come. Yeah, waiting in vain. I'm about taking again.
When I lay with you, I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true in the game.
Karamo okpo. Shake your hand, shake what your mama give you. Gege.
Watch it pour as I touch your face. When it burned, well I cried 'cause I
torí pé no explain torí pé buttress point obìnrin ni ò lọ́gbọ́n lórí náà ṣọ́bìnrin ò lọ́gbọ́n lórí ẹ má ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ ṣọ kí má lọ ẹ́ńtà yín.
Something died 'cause I knew that was the last time.
As I know we depend on talk, they go disrespect on talk. Then I show them waiting they saw. Say they my own, and I don't know waiting they come. Yeah, waiting in vain. I'm about to give me again. Waiting they saw, waiting they play. I know pay attention, of course. Waiting you hear, waiting and talk and facing my wrong. Truth today, but I need to know so. Cause you know be rice and beans and palm out. Me and my people don't they concern. Make we they understand waiting this up. I don't be one of those men with the fear to for cash. Check out na back. Me I know say everybody got to die one day. Bury 6 feet under Kulota. As I know if you depend on dog, they go disrespect on dog. Then I show them waiting they saw.
Who is your guy? Now leave me one life. See as we did like beans and rice. I will never leave your side. Never. I dedicate my time to you, my God. Even if the road is rough, I know mine. 'Cause you be my G for life. Oh yeah. As I never see you online, you do worry me any day, give me concern. Yeah, I've been ringing on your cellular. Where you at? Falling off, you settle down. Yeah, I'm hoping you're okay. We got to party tonight. Then you just stay for mine. Yeah, me and you did like yeah, not my guy. Don't just be my guy. Joey Zaza to transfer. You said be my guy. That always my guy, my guy. To the one real one is enough. So I call your name and you ask me who is your guy. Oh, Maker is my guy. Now let me one. Cheers, I'm my guy. Now my guy. As we did like beans and MK and June K for life. I will never leave your side. I will never leave. I dedicate my time, yeah, Chifi Kuku, yeah, to you, my son. God from God, even if the road is rough, I know D7, be my 'cause you be my G for life, be my G, be my G.
That particular place, so fine. See this lazy ass. Oh yeah, let's climb down. Oh yeah, let me motivate you. Oh yeah, Ukba. She's proving power now. Oh yeah. Masha pa sẹ́yìn, máa lọ straight ni. Fake stone gbé lọ yẹn ni kó máa gbé lọ. Ah. Oya. Oya baby.
Ana bulele ti dúró ni.
Ana bulele. You can do it. You can.
My dear, drop a bag.
Goldie boy. Oh, the sound, yeah.
is.
I want to flex my lover, I want to flex, and I want to call him my love baby, to the blessed the love. I'm a woman, I want to flex, I want to call him my love baby, to the blessed the love. Daiwo, 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 yeah, Daiwo, 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 yeah, Daiwo, 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 yeah, Daiwo, 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 yeah. Although, yeah. You know that my body's calling and your body's speaking. Loving you, they make me forget. Say I get problem, but the end of the night in the bathroom pleasure. I wanna flex my love, I wanna bless, and I want to call him my love baby, to the blessed the love. I'm a woman, I want to bless, and I want to call him my love baby, to the blessed the love. Daiwo, 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 yeah, Daiwo, 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 yeah.
Hey guys, so we are done. Done and dusted. I'm so sorry if I'm not looking at you guys. I'm not wearing my glasses and the sun is sunny, so I just changed my clothes and we are heading back to the bus so we can go and eat. All right, thank you guys for coming with us. I don't know if I'll still be vlogging, but if not, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Give me a serviette.
Please, if you want nylon, there's nylon here.
Give me. Thank you.